So Closets to Go is unique in many different ways, but I would say it's a combination of our diverse product line, our unique service options, and the fact that we make it affordable for you to own a custom closet. And we have a 4,000 square foot showroom right here at your fingertips where you can come in, get inspired. We really take our customization in our closets beyond any other company. We have a very unique service offering. We can cater to the DIYer. We can cater to that person that wants to just sit back and relax and watch the magic happen. And we also kind of have a hybrid, if you will. So if you want to kind of expedite the service and also save in the meantime, you can take your own dimensions, submit them to us, and then we'll take it from there. So no matter what your needs are, across the board, Closets to Go really kind of customizes everything to suit your needs.